Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here go to connections and then go to mobile hotspot anti-threading. Then go to mobile hotspot. Now just tap here to enable mobile hotspot. Now to turn on mobile hotspot, first you have to turn off your Wi-Fi. Now just tap on turn off. And it's done. Now here you can see in my phone mobile hotspot is enabled. If you want to configure your mobile hotspot, then you can easily do it from here. You can change your mobile hotspot network name from here. Also from here you can set your mobile hotspot password. And if you tap here, then you can select mobile hotspot frequency. You can select 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz as you preferred. If I select 2.4 GHz and then tap on save, and it's done. Now your mobile hotspot is ready for use. Now if you enable this option, then you can use one-time password for your mobile hotspot. And that is how you can use mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.